How to add or remove the weather panel to the S panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. After click on edge panel, make sure turn on edge panel button. After turn on edge panels, click on panels. If you want to add weather panel, so you will see weather panel is here. If you want to add weather panel to edge panel, click on weather panel. You will see weather panel is add on edge panel. If you want to remove weather panel to edge panel, click on weather panel and you will see weather panel is remove on edge panel. So you will add or remove weather panel to edge panel from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove the weather panel to the edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.